Welcome to Programming ABC. Now I show how to create or write message box and get message new. This button even not set null function. I write this click event and output as a message box. At first, constant, make constant def define file menu file menu new 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 click file menu new click id4 menu item or button. If you get from button event, then write button event like this. Is menu button event name file menu new click. I create to get new menu null function file file menu new click and callback function, callback procedure, write command, write command here. Is case file file menu new click message message box first bracket is wnd you write this is wnd your message you have you have clicked, you have clicked new menu item fro from file menu title in formatio and information message box title. Now message box icon is stop, okay cancel, and several types of message box. Yes no cancel, 3 button, yes no 2 button message box. I write only one button, okay. message box, icon, set icon, 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 icon error, icon information. You can use as your choice. Break. Now run this. Information, you have clicked new menu item from file menu. Okay, thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.